Hello. I'm not ignoring. What are you talking? You single? No. But I'm always ready to mingle. Is this a new dress? No, same dress. Why you say that? What? I don't like sweet, but I feel like patiya na bilas. Patiya akong bilas, huh? What? Next. Next. Still. Thank you. Happy birthday. Why are you late? You're hiding everywhere, you know. I know you're in the other light. Hmm. Yes, say this my birthday. Yes, you always guys hiding. You and Quaker. You have been busy. Yeah, I've been doing live. It's your birthday. This is Anna. Huh? It's your birthday, Hada. How long you been live? I've been here for 3 hours. Oh. Let me wash my hands. Leave it away 2 hours. I do live and then end and then come back.
Everybody talks about food.
I've been waiting you
Being
do.
very, very impulsive.